What's happening, YouTube? Alright, so basically, today is a really big day. I know I'm not really gonna have a lot of time to talk about it, so I'm just gonna talk about it now while I'm on my way there. So for those of you who don't know, my sister and Dante got married in July. So for their gorgeous, beautiful destination wedding in the Dominican Republic, they decided to have a pair of wedding photographers do their wedding photos for them, and it was gorgeous work. I'm gonna include some of the photos in the video here as I talk. But yeah, so basically, Sarah and Ragan are this couple that my sister and Dante got to know through the, whole process of getting married and everything. Sarah and Ragan are super, super talented, not to mention really funny and really nice. Here I am on my way to Sarah and Ragan's to go to a wedding with them to help out, I guess. Like, to some this might not be a big deal at all, but like for me this is a really, really big deal, and I'm gonna get to handle like super awesome equipment and like actually have hands-on learning and experience. I'm super grateful to them and super grateful to my sister and my brother-in-law for introducing me to them. Alright, enough with the sentimental crap, let's get to the wedding. Woo!
Let's go out, get lit.
By the way, that was a really impressive man fart.
Stars in our eyes, ain't got a lot of money, but you're a dime. So hey, hey, all I need is a whole lot of you.
I'm gonna kill him.
Can do. Now, oh, I need, baby, is a little time and a whole lot of you. A whole lot of you. I can't resist. Gotta leave all your worries at that door, 'cause life ain't nothing but a big dance floor. No, hey, hey, all I need is a whole lot of you. Every day's a holiday, ain't nothing we can do. Now, oh, I need, baby, is a little time and a whole lot of you. I pulled up to a drive, I tightened up my tie, and I'd hate to make her wait.
It's kind of hard to make me look bad, I completely agree. Because I am damn good looking. It's a burden. It's the cross I bear.
And in fear as she gets near, then everything's okay. I hope this feeling never goes away. I never thought I'd find a love like this. There's no need to hide that feeling we get. Whenever we touch, we can't resist. We go back to our first day, our first kiss.
I think my favorite part about shooting weddings is probably the free dessert.
I'm eating brownie right now.
Later on we take a walk in. Good thing she likes to talk, 'cause I can't think of what to say. She looks at me and she can see the chance I want to take.
You're just taking himself.
You're welcome.
Oh my god.
I never thought I'd find a love like this. There's no need to hide that feeling we get.
Ow, you hit me!
You walked into it, literally. You backed up into it.
Ragan, I hope a bird poops on you. Ragan's a bad person. What? Throwing things at people. This is at close range.